Hello and welcome to softexpert. There are thousands of browser extensions for different purposes and finding a good one can be a challenge. Therefore, in today's video, I'll share some of my favorite extensions that I use as a web developer. Today, I will cover 5 to 6 extensions that can be installed on any Chromium-based browser such as Chrome, Edge, Arc, Brave browser and so on. Then if you are interested, I will add a few more in the upcoming videos. So let's get started. The first extension in this list will be Mobile Simulator Responsive Testing Tool, and as the name suggests, you can use this for testing a website on mobile devices. Let me show an example. This is my website, and if I want to check its mobile preview on this desktop or laptop, I can use this extension. So I'll just click on its icon. So I can click on this icon, and there we go. We got the mobile view of this website. I can test the menu here. I can scroll the page, and even I can change this device. This is now an iPhone. I can click on it to change to any of these devices. Let's say Samsung Galaxy S20, Galaxy Z Flip, Galaxy A12, and all these are iPhones. We have iPads, Galaxy Tabs, MacBook Air, and so on. So I can test this website on different devices, and even I can rotate the screen. So if I click here, I can change the orientation. Okay, so you can see a very handy and useful extension, Mobile Simulator Responsive Testing Tool. And next in our list is CSS Peeper, and as the name suggests, this is a CSS extension that we can use for different purposes. Let me show you live. So I'll come back to my website here, and I'll click on the extension here, CSS Peeper, where I can inspect this website by typography, colors and so on. You can see for the typography, I'm using this font family. This is for the body font. This is the color palette. And scroll down, we have some CSS information here. I can switch to colors. These are the colors I'm using here. Then we have typography. It even have the assets, so you can download these images right here. Moreover, if you click here, this will also show you this is using span tag, a heading, strong, text, P, and button and so on, along with the CSS classes. So again, a very handy and powerful extension, CSS Peeper. And next in our list is TasteWP free WordPress instances. I have a video about TasteWP already. This is a testing platform that you can use for testing different plugins, themes, and even to practice with WordPress. You can use this platform for free. And this is an extension from TasteWP that you can use for different purposes as well. First off, if I go to my website again, let's close the CSS Peeper. And if I click on TasteWP, here I can scan this website for the theme and plugins. So you can scan a website and find the theme used on the website and also the plugins used on this website. Okay, next up, if I open up any plugin here, let's say this one, you will get a new option with this extension to create a website by installing this plugin. So if you want to test a plugin, you can just simply use this extension. If you click here, this will give you a ready-made WordPress installation with that plugin installed that you can test and use on this testing platform. Okay, and there we go, we installed that plugin. Now this website will last up to 7 hours. If you are logged in to TasteWP, you can have a website for 2 days, and if you want to keep it for lifetime, you can upgrade to their premium plans. So again, a very handy tool, TasteWP free WordPress instances that you can use for scanning websites. You can get a ready-made WordPress installation along with a plugin or a theme. Moreover, they have a website as well, tastewp.com, that you can visit and you can set up a website within a second, and you can learn more about this platform here in the FAQ. And here I have a video about this platform already. Okay, and the next one is a very small plugin which is ColorZilla. This is a plugin that you can use for picking any website color. Let me show you live. Same website, and I'll click on this ColorZilla extension. Now I can pick any of these colors like the light green, the dark green, this orange color, this one, and so on. Okay, So this is a handy tool that you can use for picking any color. Now this will be copied to your clipboard that you can use and paste everywhere you want. And in this same category we have another extension called WhatFont. This is the extension that we can use for knowing the font family of any website. So you can see I'm using DM Sans here, and if I click any of them, this will open up the font family, the style, the weight, line height, size, and the color used here. Okay, same goes here. So this is also a very quick plugin that you can use for knowing the font family of any website. And last in our list is Grammarly AI Writing and Grammar Checker AF. Now this is an extension that you can use for AI writing and also for checking your grammar. So if you're writing an email, a message, you can check your grammar. This will suggest you some other sentences and so on. And this extension will work on any platform where you write something, let's say Fiverr, WhatsApp, and so on. Let me give you a live review. So I wrote something like this, and you can see that extension is showing 3 errors here. This is hello, and we can put a comma here, and this is no. Okay, so in this way you can use this plugin. Then if you select it, you can improve it. So hello, how are you doing today, instead of how are you. Okay, and you can further improve it by telling what to change and how you want it. Okay, so again, Grammarly, a very good extension as well. These were some extensions that I use on regular basis, and I hope you will use them too. And I usually create WordPress related videos, but these were some extensions that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you want more, then let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.